Here at Pitch Black, we get so many entrepreneurs approaching us saying, I've got this billion-dollar idea. They've got this big vision and they feel like the idea that they've got can turn into a company one day that will be called a unicorn, meaning a privately owned company worth $1 billion plus. And we're all about having a big vision and big goals. One of our 9 commandments is 10x your vision. So we love that, but we're also realists. And one thing that most people don't understand is how little money in the grand scheme of things you need to actually be what we would consider wealthy. So let's forget about $1 billion for now and think about if you built a company over say 4 or 5 years and say you ended up with $10 million, so 1/100th of $1 billion, so much smaller. $10 million, when you invest that money wisely, you should be able to, with your eyes closed, get a 10% return on that $10 million if you're investing it wisely. So that's $1 million a year. $1 million a year, when you break that down to weekly, is actually a $20,000 per week, roughly, salary. So imagine right now if you got 20 grand a week as your salary for the rest of your life. It's a huge amount of money, yet most people are just obsessed with this concept of having a $1 billion idea. So companies of that size, very stressful, really hard to run. Very few people in the world can do that. And maybe you can, and that would be awesome, but it doesn't have to be on your first crack. The goal of an entrepreneur should be to get financial freedom, and $5-10 million is plenty to be able to do that. Then you can move on to the next attempt, and maybe after all of that experience and the blood, sweat and tears, maybe on the second time you might be able to go for $1 billion company, but you certainly don't need that to be financially independent and to be able to do whatever you want in life.